Biofertilizer is another important source of nutrients. This is a mixture of microorganisms supplying plant nutrients by fixation or solubilization. Rhizobium is the most popular biofertilizer. This bacterium lives in the root knots of leguminous plants and fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Rhizobium plays an important role in dicot grams like red gram, black gram, green gram, Bengal gram, etc., and in oil seeds like groundnut and soya bean. Rhizobium fixes 20 to 40 kilograms of nitrogen per acre per season. Thus, it meets 80 to 90% of nitrogen requirement of the crop naturally. Rhizobium treatment in these leguminous crops will bring 15 to 30% improvement in yield. Apart from that, sizable amounts of nitrogen remains in the soil and is utilized by the next crop. However, the effectiveness of biofertilizer largely depends on soil type, climatic condition, pest and disease management method, fertilizer use, strain of the microorganism used, and method of application, etc. Cost of biofertilizer is very less. For seed treatment, it will be 10 rupees per acre. Rhizobium is grown in the laboratory, mixed with charcoal powder and supplied to the farmers. Prepare jaggery solution. Smear the sticky solution on the seed. Spread the biofertilizer on it and mix thoroughly. It sticks well on the seeds due to jaggery solution. Dry the seeds under shade and use it for sowing as early as possible. Seed treatment of the biofertilizer is the easiest and effective method. There are few more biofertilizers in use. Azotobacter is the free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria around the plant roots. It is beneficial for vegetables and all other crop plants. Use of this broad-spectrum biofertilizer can bring up to 20% yield improvement in paddy, wheat, sorghum, maize, sugarcane, cotton, potato, sunflower and other crops. Azotobacter can fix 10 kilograms of atmospheric nitrogen per acre in a season. Apart from this, it helps for better seed germination, more root proliferation, early flowering and maturity also. Azotobacter is used by seed treatment, dipping plant roots, spreading to the soil or by mixing while preparing compost. Azotobacter synthesizes some plant growth substances like vitamin B, IAA, gibberellins, cytokinins, etc. and stores them in the soil, which improves the crop growth. Azotobacter produces some antibiotic substances which hinder the development of pathogenic fungi, bacteria and viruses. It improves the availability of phosphorus also. Azospirillum is another bacterium in use as biofertilizer. This is also a free-living nitrogen-fixing microorganism. Application is similar to Azotobacter. Azospirillum gives good result in sorghum, minor millets, maize, sugarcane and wheat. Apart from this, nitrogen-fixing bacteria, VA mycorrhiza, is used to improve the availability of phosphorus, zinc, copper and sulfur. This is a hair-like primitive plant which lives in association with plant roots. It gets food from the plant and helps the plant to absorb water and nutrients. The main constraint of VAM is that it cannot be cultured separately. It needs to be maintained with host plant itself. Roots of these host plant is applied to add mycorrhiza to the field. Phosphorus gets fixed and becomes unavailable to the plant at very high or low pH levels. To make it available, phosphorus solubilizing bacteria or PSB is in use. This can release 12 kilograms of phosphorus per acre in a season. PSB is effective for paddy, minor millet, oil seeds, dicot grams and vegetables. This bacterium may be used for seed treatment, dipping roots, or spreading to the soil directly. 200 grams of PSB is necessary for seed treatment for medium-sized seeds like groundnut or wheat. For small seeds, 100 grams of PSB is enough. For root dipping method, mix 1 kilogram of PSB biofertilizer in 10 to 15 liters of water. Dip the roots of the seedlings in the mixture for 5 minutes and plant as early as possible. This dipping method is useful for transplanted crops like vegetables and paddy. For spreading directly to the field, mix 3 to 5 kilograms of PSB with 50 kilograms of farmyard manure and apply. Keep any biofertilizer in a cool place without direct sunlight. Avoid contact with fertilizer or any chemical. Do not use any biofertilizer after its expiry date. In Rhizobium, there are separate strains for different crops. Using only the specified strain will give good result.